Discover the magic of the electric flying bird for your home or office. This innovative electric flying bird mimics real birds in flight, creating a captivating display. Its unique hanging wire system allows smooth, lifelike motion that mesmerizes viewers. Automatic features make it easy to operate, providing endless entertainment for guests. Adding this decorative piece enhances any room, bringing a whimsical touch to your decor. Crafted with high-quality materials, it elevates the ambience of your space effortlessly. Imagine a touch of enchantment fluttering through your living space or workplace, a whimsical blend of art and technology that captivates and inspires. Enter the electric flying bird, an innovative marvel designed to bring a dash of magic to any environment. This enchanting gadget combines sophisticated engineering with aesthetic charm, creating a mesmerizing visual experience. Resembling a delicate, avian sculpture, the electric flying bird uses advanced propulsion technology to simulate graceful flight, hovering, and gliding with effortless elegance. Its intricate design and smooth, fluid movements mimic those of a real bird, adding a touch of nature's beauty to your surroundings. Ideal for both home and office settings, the electric flying bird serves as a captivating centerpiece that sparks conversation and admiration. In the home, it can enhance your living room or study, providing a serene and dynamic focal point. In an office, it offers a unique, stress-relieving distraction that can inspire creativity and boost morale. Equipped with customizable settings, the electric flying bird can adjust its flight patterns and lighting effects to suit your mood or decor. Its silent operation ensures it blends seamlessly into any environment, creating a tranquil ambience without disruption. Embrace the allure of modern innovation with the electric flying bird, a stunning fusion of art and technology that brings a touch of magic to your daily life. Whether as a decorative piece or a dynamic conversation starter, it's sure to captivate and inspire all who encounter it. Bring home the magic today and elevate your space.